How to download Chrome on PC. This tutorial shows you how to install Google Chrome browser on your computer. First, open any web browser on your PC like Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Next, type google.com/Chrome in the address bar and press enter. Following that, you'll be taken to the Chrome download page. Now, click on Download Chrome button in the center of the page. Moving forward, the Chrome installer file will start downloading to your PC. Afterwards, click on the downloaded file in your browser's download bar, or go to your Downloads folder. In addition to that, double-click on Chrome setup.exe to run the installer. Once there, the installation will begin automatically. Subsequently, Chrome will install and open once the setup is complete. Moreover, you can sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks and settings. Afterwards, set Chrome as your default browser if prompted. And that's it. If this Chrome download guide helped you install the browser on your PC, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.